Cerave moisturizing cream body and face moisturizer for dry skin. Developed with dermatologists, Cerave moisturizing cream has a unique formula that provides 24-hour hydration and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides. 1362. This rich, non-greasy, fast-absorbing formula is ideal for sensitive skin on both the face and body. Non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, oil-free, hypoallergenic, gentle, non-irritating formula. Suitable for sensitive skin.